The author that we are going to feature today on this channel is नीलांजना सुदेशना लहरी. मतलब अपनी झुम्पा लहरी जिनका पूरा नाम है नीलांजना सुदेशना लहरी. हाय हेलो नमस्ते, माय नेम इज़ आरजे मंजुला. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. और आज इस चैनल पर हम झुम्पा लहरी की बुक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Now, Jhumpa Lahiri जो है, she's an American author who was born in India. Her parents shifted to the US when she was 3 months old. And mostly her novels and her stories are about this difference between Indian parenting and American parenting. Then how Indian parents find it very difficult when they raise their kids because they want their kids to have the Indian values as well, but because they are being brought up in America, they see a different culture. How kids also find it sometimes suffocating, that Indian parents are very different from American parents, and all the mix of cultures, Indian culture and American culture, all that is always featured very, very beautifully in her stories. Now, Jhumpa Lahiri has written many stories, many short stories, many novels, and she's won many awards also. But I'm going to talk about the two books that are my favorite, written by Jhumpa Lahiri. One is The Namesake and the other one is The Lowland. So first, let's talk about The Namesake. Now, The Namesake is a very, very popular novel by Jhumpa Lahiri, जिस पर एक मूवी भी बनी है जिसका नाम भी है The Namesake, starring इरफान खान एंड तब्बू. स्टोरी बेसिकली है दो कपल की आशिमा एंड अशोक, जिनके दो बच्चे हैं, गोगोल एंड एक बेटी है. एंड दे शिफ्ट टू अमेरिका एंड देन दे आर ट्राइंग टू सेटल इनटू दैट new life, and they're working, so they're trying to bring up their kids also in such a way that they have the Indian values as well. So this couple, Ashima and Ashok, they name their son Gogol. Now I know Gogol is a very funny name, but there's a different story why they name their son Gogol, because once during a train journey, Gogol's father, which is Ashok, he was reading a novel by very famous Russian author. His name was Gogol. And then suddenly there was this train accident, and when he was reading that novel, obviously he was also thrown out of the train, and one page from his novel fell down, and that's how authorities got to know, because of that page, that there is somebody buried in that ground, and then they got him out, and that's how Ashok's life was saved. So because it was saved by a novel written by Gogol, they named their son Gogol. But Gogol, जैसे जैसे बड़े होते जाते हैं ना, in America, he starts disliking his name because he feels that it is too Indian, and he's not proud to be Indian, and then he tries to really tell everybody, and he insists that he's called by his other name, which is Nikhil and not Gogol. And धीरे धीरे he starts going away from his culture, from his parents, and but eventually at the end of the novel, he realizes that why his parents did what they did, and why they took certain decisions which were important to him, which he didn't understand then, but now he understands them. So that's what The Namesake is all about. This book is amazing. It's beautifully written and very emotional at certain points, and it will make you laugh also, because I'm sure all of us can relate to such situations, because हम में से भी बहुत ऐसे हैं जिनके जो nicknames होते हैं, जो parents देते हैं, वो बहुत funny होते हैं, and sometimes when we are kids, and we don't like it when we are teased by that nickname. My second favorite Jhumpa Lahiri's novel is The Lowland. Now Lowland ना कहानी है दो भाइयों की, सुभाष एंड उद्यान. ये कोलकाता की कहानी है जो उस वक्त कैलकटा था, एंड द एरिया वेयर सुभाष एंड उद्यान दे ग्रो अप इन कैलकटा, इट हैज़ सर्टन पॉन्ड्स जिनके बीच में एक छोटा सा एरिया है जो हर बारिश में ना उसमें बाढ़ आ जाती है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दैट एरिया इज़ कॉल्ड द लो लैंड, हेंस द नेम द लो लैंड. Subhash and Udyan, the two brothers, are very close to each other. Subhash moves to USA, and Udyan gets involved in Naxal movements. मतलब वो political parties के influence में आके कुछ ऐसे काम करने लग जाते हैं जो illegal हैं, या फिर जो किसी तरह से सही नहीं हैं इस तरीके से, and that is why Subhash starts growing away from him. And Udyan is involved in a lot of things, like for example, sometimes he's involved in the murder of high-profile political leaders also. So Udyan keeps writing letters to Subhash, telling him about what is happening in day-to-day life, but he never mentions about this political party, the Naxalite movement that he's working on. And in one letter, he tells him that he has found the love of his life. उसका नाम है गौरी. But then suddenly he gets a letter from his parents, suddenly Subhash, that they ask him to come to India because his brother is killed. And then Subhash moves to Kolkata, and then he understands and he realizes that his brother was involved in a lot of illegal activities, and that is why he was, killed by local police in an encounter. But Subhash feels that his parents are actually holding Gauri responsible for Udyan's death, his wife, because they believe that it was not their choice, she was not their choice for their son, and B, that they believe that she has brought bad luck to the family. So Subhash doesn't like the way Gauri is treated in the house. तो वो decide करते हैं कि वो गौरी को अपने साथ अमेरिका ले जाते हैं, and he marries her so that it is legal to take her to America. But in America they start a family, because at that point Gauri is already pregnant with Udyan's child, and she delivers a baby girl, and Subhash becomes very close to his daughter. But there's a distance between Gauri and Subhash, some distance from Gauri's side, that she's not able to forget her past, and she starts again going away from him. So the lowland is about relationships, the complexities that we all face in relationships, whether it is brothers relationship, whether it is parents and daughter-in-law, or it is mother and daughter relationship, which eventually Bela, the daughter, and Gauri, the mother, they face with each other. Or maybe a stepfather and daughter relationship, the beautiful relationship. So Jhumpa Lahari's The Lowland is all about the relationships, and it is very, very beautiful. So Jhumpa Lahari की books का best part ये है that it has certain thought provoking moments. आपको हर एक book पे, हर एक page पे कुछ ऐसा realize होगा that it will be able to touch your emotions in some or the other way. So I hope you find this review useful. Please do share your comments in the comment section below, and also like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. जल्द मिलेंगे नए वीडियो के साथ. Till then, please keep smiling.